Hey there, I just got a brand new set of brushes from 6 Plus, and it made me think I really need to take care of my old brushes, my current brushes, because they haven't been cleaned in so long, and it's so important now, especially in this 90-degree New York heat. So here are my brushes that need to be cleaned, and my brush cleaner. If you don't have one of these, they're great. You get them on Amazon. They're not expensive. So I have water. I have my favorite new soap from Soapbox that smells amazing, like sea minerals and blue iris. I'm just gonna put a pump of that in. And then my cleaner. So you decide which size you need for the handle of your brush. I'm probably going to need to start here, slip it on, put my brush in, and let's get cleaning. And here's how you dry it. Love it. Clean and dry. Check this one. You really need one of these. Dry. Let's try one more. Try a different size connector with my blush brush, one of my favorites. Ready? See the water changing color? I don't really want to be putting that on my face every day. So cool. Wow. Water dry. Awesome. So it's fun to do too, obviously. And then it has smaller attachments for your eyeshadow brushes. This is an everyday brush. Cool. I'm sure you get the idea. Clean your brushes.